How do you allow browser pop-ups on the iPhone? So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So you want to find the settings app, and at the bottom of the list you can find the apps section. So every single app, whether built-in or third-party, are going to be listed here with their own particular settings. So you can get inside the Safari, right, located within the S section in the alphabetical order, and it will essentially let you browse all of the random settings for Safari. So you can get inside, scroll through a little bit, and you'll be able to find that part of the general section within here is the ability to block pop-ups, and it's just one toggle. So if you want to enable the pop-ups, then you need to uncheck the blocking option, right? So blocking should not be enabled if you want to keep it turned on. So that's likely the thing that you have in mind within a Safari. I believe that is literally the only place to do it, but there are also like more browsers which you can use, but in that case you need to just browse the settings for that app particularly. So you would go to your browser like Google Chrome, for example, and check out the settings for that app only, right? So it's not going to be part of this section right here. So as well, you can go to the Chrome in this example, go to the settings, content settings, and there as well you have the block pop-ups, and you can decide if you want to continue blocking or stop blocking and allow the actual pop-ups. So that is how it would work. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.